Will AI become the first space explorers as humanity sets its sights beyond Earth? Artificial intelligence (AI) is emerging as a key player in space exploration. The question isn't just whether AI will assist astronauts, but whether AI itself will become the first true explorers of distant worlds. Given the vast distances, harsh environments, and long mission durations involved in space travel, AI offers clear advantages over human explorers, at least in the early stages of interstellar and interplanetary exploration. One of AI's most compelling strengths lies in its ability to operate autonomously in extreme conditions. While humans need oxygen, food, protection from radiation, and psychological support, AI systems require none of these. They can function continuously for years, without fatigue, survive in hostile climates, and make rapid decisions based on real-time data without waiting for instructions from Earth. This makes AI especially suitable for missions to distant planets, moons, asteroids, or even other star systems. Already, AI is playing a critical role in current space missions. NASA's Mars rovers, such as Perseverance and Curiosity, use AI to navigate the Martian surface and make autonomous driving decisions. AI also aids in identifying scientific targets, managing system health, and communicating with Earth efficiently. These are early but powerful examples of AI acting as robotic explorers on our behalf. In the future, more advanced AI could pilot spacecraft, deploy robotic colonies, build habitats, mine resources, and even prepare environments for human arrival. Before humans ever set foot on Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, AI-powered systems may have already mapped the terrain, extracted water ice, constructed shelters, and established communication networks. This would not only reduce risk but also significantly lower the cost of human exploration. AI could also be the key to interstellar exploration. Probes like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny spacecraft to the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, within a generation. Due to the immense distance and communication delays, these probes will need AI to function independently, collect data, and make critical decisions on the fly. Without AI, such missions would be impractical. However, AI exploration also raises philosophical and ethical questions. If an AI system is the first to step onto a new planet, analyze its ecosystem, and perhaps even interact with alien life, does that count as humanity's achievement toward the AIS? Would such a machine be a mere tool, or the first representative of Earth beyond our solar system? Despite these questions, it seems likely that AI will be our pioneers in the cosmos. They will go first not because they are superior to humans, but because they are more practical for the initial stages of exploration. Later, humans may follow in their tracks, benefiting from the groundwork AI has laid.